Shifting our focus to some more breaking news coming in at this point in time as far as the Waqf Act being challenged in the top court is concerned. Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi are leading the charge. Supreme Court says it will list the matter. The CJI says a date will be fixed soon, but the CJI does not specify a date so far. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. My colleague Harish is joining me right now. Well, Harish, what we're given to understand is that Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi are both leading the charge as far as the Waqf Act being challenged in the Supreme Court is concerned. Take us to the details. When can we hear a date being fixed for the matter to be listed?
Yes, after the bill was passed by the Parliament, both houses of Parliament, and now it has become an act after the assent of the President Manu. And today, for the first time, it has been mentioned before the Supreme Court. Earlier, at least 7 petitions have already been filed. But for the first time, it's come up in the courtroom, Kapil Sibal, appearing for Maulana Arshad Madani, the Jamiat Ulema chief, mentioned the matter, drew the court's attention to the fact that a petition has been filed challenging the Waqf Amendment Act and sought an early hearing. Then Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna queried as to why you are mentioning when a system is in place, you automatically get listed. Registrar decides about the dates. But however, when Kapil Sibal insisted for a date, Chief Justice said that during the lunch break, he will get in touch with the registrar and settle the status, and said that it will soon be listed, but has refused to specify a date. Supreme Court has refused to specify a date, but said a date will be soon given. This batch of petitions are challenging the validity of the Waqf Amendment Act, saying it's discriminatory against the Muslims, also against effort of the right to freedom, and also right to establish and manage and administer religious institutions, and also says that it's discriminatory given the fact that there are many restrictions imposed on them, while in the present these restrictions are not applicable to endowments, religious endowments of other religions. So several grounds have been raised, also questioning the removal of Waqf by user and also inclusion of non-Muslim members in the Waqf board and Single Waqf Council, and also giving the senior government officer or a district collector to adjudicate disputes. They say that definitely this government officer will support the government. So the act makes the government,
right,
the litigant and the judge. So these are some of the
yes,
objections raised by these parties.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Harish, for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.